So like core CPI. this happened today. So yes, right moments before this, the CPI actually had a trade running, but it closed a broke even before the news actually happened. I was triggered out. I was out before actually the news, all of this happened. As you can see, I took a sell there. As you can see here, the red arrow, that's actually where I took a sell, and then I was triggered out, broke even. As you can see, the blue one, that's where I broke even. As soon as I went into profit, I just broke even, you know. So yeah, then as you can see, as news came in, spiked down, taking out both sell side, and then we just tanked to the upside. We just tanked to the upside. So yeah, that is that. I was actually hoping price would actually come into this BC right here. We had a 30-minute BC. Had a 30-minute BC. I was hoping actually price come tagging during the London session. You know, I was hoping that price would come, Asia low will be broken, and then we take this BC here, and then we go up, you know, give us higher prices. That's what I was actually expecting from this. So it looks like we're just going for that buy side liquidity right now. Just gonna see whether if we're actually going for that buy side or because we just broke this range, broke all this the Asian range and London kind of ranged a bit, and then now we're just going for higher prices. And another question is, because we still have also this buy side here, so I want both of these buy sides to be swept, and buy side liquidity, I want both of this buy side to be swept. Then maybe we can get lower prices, but I have a feeling that we're just gonna sweep this buy side, then maybe start reversing to the downside, or we're just gonna keep going up. So at the moment, prices is just, just getting higher prices, and with all this, I'm guessing the dollar index is just tanking right now. We're just tanking down right now on the dollar index, and then we have this sell side here. Okay, sell side being tagging the sell side right now, and then I just want a clean sweep to the downside, clean sweep to the downside, and then maybe we might start seeing some retracement back to the upside, because all that spike can't go unpunished, man. Just can't, just like that. Gotta at least retrace 50% of that crazy movement, because all of that happened in like just a second. So we gotta retrace at least some. But as you can see right now, we're just piercing through the sell side. And then I'm just gonna see how that actually goes. And then going to the NAS. I'm just waiting for at least one buy side to be swept. This is S&P. Currently it seems like we are in a CB. I think it's like a H4 CB. We passed this daily CB right here, and then now we're approaching this tiny order block. I don't like using this, especially candlesticks with smaller body as like a bearish order block, which it is an auto block. You can just use this as an auto block, but I hate it when like they have like a smaller body volume. And yeah, so another question is, are we gonna use that as an auto block to actually reverse, give us lower prices? Respect the trend, not take out this buy side liquidity and that buy side liquidity, and then keep tanking to the downside, or what? So at the moment I'm just waiting. Probably just gonna wait for like a market structure shift on a lower time frame, which I'm actually gonna have to wait for, maybe like on a 5 minute or even 3 minutes, But right now we just tagged into that daily order block there, and then go to a lower time frame. We're probably in like a CB or something. Yeah, we're currently in this CB, this fair value gap, which is also in the order block. The low of that candlestick is in the consequent encouragement of the order block. Just turn it white. So yeah, we're in the consequent encouragement of that. So if price can actually fill in that H4, this H4 CB, which will make it also on the consequent encouragement, that would actually be a nice trade to actually take right now. So we're just waiting for that to see what really happens. And then going to NAS. as I mentioned earlier, I was holding sells, but I was triggered out before the news started, 10 minutes before the news actually started. 10 minutes or 30 minutes, I don't know. But yeah, there's where I took a sell there, that CB. And then I actually missed an entry on this bearish breaker block and that order block right there. See there? I missed that entry, and then now prices just fell, and then we made this CB here, and then went back into that CB. That's when I actually took a sell. I could have had my TP at this low right here. I could have had my TP here at this low, but I just wanted to swing it all the way down until we take out the Asia low. But as you can see, even this spike never actually took out the Asia low. We just created more higher prices. So yeah. What is going on? Something wrong with my stream, I think. Not quite sure. I'm not sure if the audio, I'm not sure if the music is just overpowering. I think the music was just overpowering my voice, but I hope I'm loud and clear enough. It's loud and clear enough. I would actually want price to go into that daily order block there. If we can just dip into it, it'll actually be a nice, give me a nice sell. It'll actually give me a nice sell to at least sell off to the 50% of this crazy ass week, this crazy ass candlestick. And then yeah, just see how it goes from there. Let's see how it goes from there. As you can see, we're just pushing up. I'm guessing the dollar index already cleanly swept sell side. Well, not yet. I wanted to cleanly just violate it. Violate sell side. Maybe come take out this one too here. Take out this low here. And then to give us a nice reversal to the upside. So that is what I am expecting right now on the dollar index. So with that being said, dollar index coming into the, taking us out into the, taking this low, I would expect the S&P and the NAS, S&P to actually dip into that daily order block and then start giving us some nice reversal to the downside. So right now, just gonna monitor this and see how it is going, how it's gonna go. And it's currently what, 20, 28, 23, 27 minutes after the news. Is it? Not sure, but yeah. So now's the best time to actually be looking for entries right now. We're just gonna see whether price actually get into this. Let me just set like an alert on the consequent encouragement. I'm not sure if we can, it's allowing me to do that. Just an alert. And then yeah, just set an alert in that. And then if prices if we start seeing some reversal into that daily order block, I might want to start looking for sells from there. But other than that, price might just keep piercing to the upside and go for the buy side liquidity over there. We might be going or heading to that buy side liquidity, but if not, we might be reversing into this daily order block here. So, which I mentioned I don't really trust that much, but if we start seeing some reversal sign into that, and then as you can see here, let me remove the which one is it? Execution labels, and yeah, let me just hide that for now. So yeah, with NAS, we might be going for that buy side liquidity, and then we have that new day opening gap right there. So price might just use that as like to give us lower prices, and so just gonna wait and see how that, we might go up, take out buy side liquidity, come back, use that as the resistance, and then we shoot up. So we're just gonna see how that actually plays out. Just gonna see how that plays out. retracement when? Well, on the NAS, I was actually hoping at least to take out buy side liquidity, but here we have that new day opening gap. I hope this is the new day opening gap. Let me just label that real quick. I hope so. Yeah, so if I don't really trust price to reject off of this new day opening gap right now and start reversing, so at least if you can take out buy side liquidity, but yeah, I don't know, we might just reverse off of that. We might just reverse off of that, but I don't know, man. We'll see. But I'm waiting for price to actually take out buy side liquidity, and then with the S&P, we are actually in a daily order block, kinda. We're in a daily bearish order block. So if you can cover this, or at least consequent encouragement, and start seeing some reversal signs to the downside, maybe get like a market structure shift on a lower time frame, maybe 1 minute, 3 minutes there, you know, yeah, something like that. But like, yeah, so since S&P is in a order block right now, approaching a daily order block, and NAS it's already in what's this, a new day opening gap, we might just retrace from here. I actually wanna sell it down at least 50% of this. I actually wanna sell it down. I actually wanna sell it all the way down. Not all the way, it won't sell all the way, but you know, at least to the 50% of that. At least to the 50%. So just gonna see how that goes. 3 minutes. We have these auto block right here. So I wanted to give me something. What are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? What is you waiting for? Trying to sell it down, or wanted to retrace, then buy it back up? I wanted 50%, then buy it. That's dope. That's dope. So yeah, I want to sell it all the way down to that 50% down there. I want to sell it all the way to that 50%, maybe then buy it again. Who knows? Then let's see how the NASDAQ, it's yeah, let's just see what it has for us. Might give us something nice, something very nice. So just see. understand why my chat is not. I don't understand why my chat is not updating anymore. It is not auto updating. I don't know what it needs. I do not know what it needs right now. But something is missing. at least pushing to the 20%, you know, at least pushing to the 20% of the whole movement that it made today. I'd really actually love to see that. I mean 50%, not 20%, 50%. Or, you know, really like to see that. So part of me is actually tempted to actually take a sell here at the CB and then target maybe that order block. I don't even know how many, and take partials there. That's like 30. But for me, it feels like we're still gonna take out this buy side and then go for the min threshold of that order block. So we're just gonna see how that. Equity open, about to hit right now. A part of me actually want to take this trade and sell it all the way to the 50% of it, to the 50% of the overall movement that just happened. But with equity open, we might just push higher, you know. So that's what I'm afraid of. So shit. There you go. What are we gonna do? We're going for higher prices or lower prices? As you can see, we're actually going to take out, as I expected, going for that min threshold. We're going for the min threshold. Let me. I'd like it if we went for that min threshold. S&P US 30. Took out buy side. then I have a feeling that we're gonna start seeing some bearish prices from now, since it took out this buy side, and then maybe it might jump into the mean threshold, then we go down. But I'm expecting some, yeah, so just gonna see how this actually plays out. Go to the 1 minute, so you can see all the bodies closed here, still in like some type of a range. The wicks did the damage, and then we're just gonna see how that actually plays out. Just gonna see how that actually plays out. As you can see, we hop into that main threshold. Love to see it. As you can see, dipped a little bit into the daily order block, nearly reached the min threshold, and then all of a sudden started reversing. As you can see now, price is just tanking to the downside. What I would love, let's use that as a breakup block. I'd love to see that being used as a breakup block. Break below and then come back and retest. That I would love to see that, to be honest. Took out buy side, created another high, almost in the min threshold of the order block. Microstructure shift. If we can break below here, come back and use that as a breakup block, I'd actually love to see that. Then it starts shooting to the downside. I would love to see that. Then I might consider to actually sell it to the 50% off. Where's my fib? Try to sell it to the 50% of that. If we can get that clean microstructure shift, I'd love to sell it into the 50% of this, and then from there it might pick up and then start shooting up, because we still have buy side liquidity that's not swept up there. On a daily, we still have that buy side liquidity there, might not do it today, but yeah. But now we're in a daily order block and about to nearly hit min threshold. But if I can get a market structure shift to the downside, a clean buy would be ideal if we can get that microstructure shift. If we can. you can see, I just wanted to close below, take out this low here, so we can have a market structure shift. I want price to actually take out that to give us a nice market structure shift, come back, we test that bearish order, bearish breaker block, then we start tanking more to the downside. Other than that, I'll just wait for price if we're going up to fill in the order block. So yeah. currently in a we covered that daily order block. Now I'm really tempted to actually sell this thing now. I'm actually tempted to actually sell it. You know, I'm actually tempted to sell this thing. So what I will do is that I will sell. What time is it? And plus I gotta be somewhere, so I think I'm just gonna sell this. I sell TP, my SL. I'm gonna put it. Let me go to the daily. At least 5-4. Yeah, 5-4. Daily contract is fine. And then I'm gonna have how many contracts? I wanna have 4 contracts. And then I'm just gonna sell it. I'm just gonna sell it. Pray. Execution. We'll see how everything goes. Just gonna see how everything goes. So yeah, that's the first. That's the sell for the session. And if it doesn't play out, then it is done for the day. As you can see, we just tank into the upside right now. And then okay, yeah, I'm gonna have TP if you can get there. If you can actually get there, so that so the 50% of what which it won't be the 50% anymore. It might be a bit higher because we created a new high. So I'm just gonna adjust it there, but I'll just be monitoring this. I'll just be monitoring that and see how it actually goes, you know. So yeah. So yeah, with that being said, actually gotta be somewhere, and yeah, I'm just gonna actually just let that run. Just gonna let that run and see how we do after that. So yeah, and I wish there was a way to actually show price, to show what's this, to show amount on the SL and the TP. I wish there was a way. Let me just do this. Yeah. Let me just put it on a 15-minute. And then yeah, I don't know, we'll just see how that goes. If it doesn't go well, here's what it is. If it goes well, that's nice. So yeah.